The PantoRouter takes your joinery to a whole new level. Mortise and tenon, box joints, and dovetails have never been easier. The magic is in the 2-to-1 pantograph. A guide bearing follows a template of any shape and precisely cuts at half scale. With only one setup, the mortise is cut using the inner slot, and the tenon is cut on the outside of the same template. Over 150 different sizes of mortise and tenon can be cut using the standard templates. Angles and compound angles are easy, accurate, repeatable, and fast. Doubles take only seconds longer than single mortise and tenon, and complicated joinery, like the crest rail for a chair, is finally easy and safe. Dovetails can be cut with either fixed or variable spacing. 1/4-inch and 1/2-inch box joints are fast and can even be variably spaced. Setup for all of our joinery requires no measuring or calculations. The patented tapered templates help to dial in a perfect fit. Finding center of your workpiece takes just seconds. Depth of cut and centering on the table use built-in scales in either inch or metric. The PantoRouter was invented by Matthias Vondel in 2010 and was later developed by Kuldeep Singh and Max Sheldon to a full-featured joinery machine. Users worldwide continue to unlock the potential of the PantoRouter, and we continue to add templates and accessories. Our superior dust collection keeps your workspace clean and the air in your shop safer to breathe. From its brilliantly engineered origin to the world-class shop tool it is today, the PantoRouter helps professional woodworkers improve profit and hobbyists to take joinery to a whole new level. Visit our website at PantoRouter.com to see videos and learn more about this well-proven joinery tool, and put the PantoRouter pop in your next project.